transparent
Trial
system.
should go on track.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, Group D, Honorable, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister?
Time is running out. That's my
May I
worry.
know from the Honorable Minister?
All ministers
Group
has
D-
to be brief and crisp.
So basically, Group D recruitment, which is
Please,
for
please.
trackman, gangsman, which is being done, the job is being done on the tracks.
Right.
Here, the educational criteria, educational qualification criteria is being raised from what it was earlier, which is depriving lot many poor youth in the country. Whether, I mean, any corrective step is being taken by the government in this.
Right, Minister.
Sir, correct the wrong perception. That criteria has been proposed to be raised for the future. For this recruitment, the criteria is the same as it was last time.
Right.
We change.
Then C.K. Gohel. Questions entered in separate list to be asked and answers given. Statement by Minister correct.